Hello friends, welcome to Pharma Zenith. In today's session, we are going to discuss about HAP MCQs on urinary system part first. Myself Ambore Sandeep. Moving to the first question. The first step in urine production is, it is called reabsorption. Moves water and solute from renal tubules into the peritubular capillaries. It's called secretion. D. Occurs as the water and solute move from glomerulus to the glomerular capsule. We have to find out the first step in urine production. And the correct answer is D. That occurs as the water and solute moves from glomerulus to the glomerular capsule. Next question. In the process of renal autoregulation, options are A. The loop of Henle reabsorbs more sodium and chloride ions. The collecting tubule reabsorbs less water. The afferent arterioles dilate, increasing the glomerular filtration rate. And last D. The efferent arteriole dilate, allowing blood to flow through kidney faster. Can you guess the correct answer? The correct answer is the afferent arteriole dilate, increasing glomerular filtration rate. That is C. Moving to the next question, which accurately represents the pathway of fluid through juxtamedullary nephron. Options are TCT, descending loop of Henle, ascending loop of Henle, and DCT. That is distal convoluted tubule. B. TCT, DCT, descending loop, ascending loop. C. TCT, DCT, descending loop of Henle, DCT, and ascending loop. Then DCT, descending loop, ascending loop, and PCT. We have to find out the correct pathway. And the correct answer is, first of all, from glomerulus, the urine transfers to the PCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule. Then it moves to the descending loop of Henle, ultimately then moves to the ascending loop of Henle, and last distal convoluted tubule, which is collected through collecting duct. Next question. The main regulator of water reabsorption is, options are A. Renin, B. Angiotensin, C. Antidiuretic hormone, and D. Aldosterone. Water reabsorption is regulated by antidiuretic hormone. Its short form is ADH, which is secreted by pituitary gland. Moving to the next question. Glomerular filtrate is produced as a result of, options are tubule secretion, facilitated diffusion, blood colloid osmotic pressure, blood hydrostatic pressure. Can you guess the correct answer? Glomerular filtrate is produced by blood hydrostatic pressure. Next, which is secreted by juxtamedullary apparatus? Options are atrial natriuretic peptide, renin, angiotensin, antidiuretic hormone. We have to find out which chemical is secreted by juxtaglomerular apparatus. And options are renin. Renin is the correct answer. Next, the process by which water is reabsorbed by following solutes when they are reabsorbed is called obligatory water reabsorption, facultative water reabsorption, osmotic water reabsorption, renin angiotensin water reabsorption. The correct answer is obligatory water reabsorption. Moving to the next question. The function of the kidney is to, options are produce angiotensin, remove microorganisms from the blood, remove aged blood from the blood, regulate blood ionic composition. You have to find out the function of kidney. And the correct answer is regulate blood ionic composition. Moving to the next question. Which of the following is true for nephrons? They are functional units of kidney. The proximal convoluted tubules allow the kidney to concentrate or dilute urine. There are about million nephrons in each kidney. And last, both A and C are correct. Can you guess the correct answer? The correct answer is last D, that is both A and C options are correct. First option, that is nephron is a functional unit of kidney. That is also right. And C, there are about 1 million, means 10 lakh nephrons are present in each kidney. Individual kidney have 10 lakh, that is 1 million nephrons. Moving to the next question. Tubular reabsorption. Options are eliminates waste from the body, occurs mostly in the DCT, usually helps in blood pH by removing H plus from the filtrate, returns 99% water filter from the glomerulus to blood. Any guesses? And the correct answer is occurs mostly in distal convoluted tubule. Next, an organ or structure that is not a component of urinary system. We have to find out which is not a component or part of urinary system. Options are urinary bladder, ureter, adrenal gland, kidney. Which is not a part of urinary system. The correct answer is adrenal gland, which is also called as the suprarenal gland, which is just above the kidney. The kidneys are, options are help to regulate blood volume, help to control blood pressure, help to control pH, all of the above. Any guesses? The correct answer is all of the above. Kidneys regulate blood volume, blood pressure, pH. So the correct answer was B. Moving to the next question. Which of the following belong to urinary system except urethra, ureter, bladder, prostate? Okay, the correct answer is prostate. I do know that urethra, ureter, and urinary bladder that are part of urinary system, but this prostate is part of reproductive system. Moving to the next question. The urinary system is the principal system responsible for. Options are water and electrolyte balance, excretion of toxic nitrogenous compounds, both A and B, D, none of the above. Do you know the correct answer? Here we go. Both A and B. That means urinary system is responsible for water and electrolyte balance along with excretion of toxic nitrogenous compound also. Moving to the next question. The structure that connects a kidney to urinary bladder is ureter, urethra, renal pelvis, collecting duct. We have to find out connecting link between kidney and urinary bladder. And the answer is ureter. Urinary system, there are a pair of ureters which comes from xylem region of kidney and ultimately enters into the urinary bladder. The length of ureter is about 25 centimeters. Next, what portion of nephron extends into the medulla? Nephron loop, TCT, DCT, papillary duct. We have to find out which part of nephron extends into the medulla. The correct answer is nephron loop, which is also called as the loop of Henle, which comes under medulla region. And this PCT, DCT, collecting tubule, that comes under in cortex region, not in medulla. Next, the functional unit of kidney is called. Options are glomerulus, nephron, corpuscle, and calyx. As we have already discussed in previous question, functional unit of kidney is nephron, and each kidney has around 1 million nephrons in one kidney. Which of the following statement concerning the kidney is false? They are retroperitoneal. They each contain 8 to 15 renal pyramids. They each have distinct renal cortex and renal medulla region. They are positioned between 3rd and 5th lumbar vertebra. We have to find out incorrect statement about the kidney. And that incorrect statement is last option D. They are positioned between 3rd to 5th lumbar. Actually, this is a wrong statement. They are retroperitoneal. That is correct. They also have 8 to 15 renal pyramids. They each have a distinct renal cortex and renal medulla region, but their position is between 12th thoracic vertebra to 5th lumbar vertebra. So D is the wrong option. Which of the following is the correct sequence in which urine flows through the kidney toward urinary bladder? You have to find out the correct sequence. Options are renal pelvis, major calyx, minor calyx, papillary duct, ureter. Next B, papillary duct, minor calyx, major, renal pelvis, ureter. Minor calyx, major calyx, papillary duct, renal pelvis, ureter. Papillary duct, major calyx, minor calyx, ureter, renal pelvis. The correct answer is papillary duct, which opens into minor calyx, which opens into major calyx, which opens into renal pelvis, and ultimately leads to the ureter. So D is the correct answer. Next, which of the following statement concerning the ureters is false? We have to find out the false statement about ureters. Options are mucosa of each ureter is composed of transitional epithelium. They are composed of 3 tunics. Muscular peristaltic views move urine through the ureters. And lastly, they are located within peritoneal cavity. We have to find out wrong or false statement about the ureter. And the correct answer is they are located within peritoneal cavity. That is wrong option. The micturition reflex center is located in. Options are cerebrum, sacral segment of spinal cord, urinary bladder, hypothalamus. We have to find out where does the micturition reflex center locate. And the correct answer is sacral segment of spinal cord. Next, all of the following statements are true related to urethra male, except it contains a single urethral sphincter near the neck of urinary bladder. It receives secretion from the bulbourethral glands. It consists of 3 distinct regions. It is approximately 20 centimeter long in adult. We have to find out the wrong statement about male urethra. Can you guess the correct answer? Here is the answer. It contains a single urethral sphincter near the neck of urinary bladder. Which of the following is the proper sequence of structure in nephron? Options are glomerulus, PCT, DCT, nephron loop. Next, glomerulus, nephron loop, PCT, DCT. C, glomerulus, PCT, nephron loop, DCT. And D, PCT glomerulus nephron loop PCT. As we know that correct sequence of nephron is PCT glomerulus nephron loop distal convoluted tubule. Okay. C is the correct answer actually. Glomerulus, which leads to proximal convoluted tubule, nephron loop, and distal convoluted tubule. C is the correct answer. Next, fibrous connective tissue that surrounds each kidney is cortex, hilum, medulla, renal capsule. Any guesses? Correct answer is medulla. That is fibrous connective tissue which surrounds the kidney. The apex of renal pyramid is called major calyx, minor calyx, renal papilla, renal pelvis. Here is the correct answer, minor calyx. The apex of renal pyramid is called minor calyx. Next, the tuft of capillaries in the renal corpuscles is called podocytes, glomerulus, calyx, renal pyramid. The correct answer is podocytes. Tuft of capillaries in renal corpuscle is also called as the podocytes. Next, the location of kidneys in relationship to the peritoneal lining of abdominal cavity is refers to retroperitoneal, retroabdominal, posterior, dorsal. And the correct answer is dorsal. Next, the triangular area of urinary bladder between the two ureters posteriorly and the urethra anteriorly is the options are external urinary sphincter, internal urinary sphincter, smooth muscle, and transitional epithelium. Can you guess the correct answer? Correct answer is external urinary sphincter. Moving to the next question. Okay. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe our channel Pharma Zenith and press the bell icon to get it latest videos. Thank you.